Starting a new diet, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic, starting a new diet. If you've ever thought about changing your eating habits for health, weight loss, or any other reason, this video is for you. We're going to break down what it means to start a new diet, why people do it, and how you can do it effectively. So, let's get started. When we say, starting a new diet, we're talking about changing what, when, and sometimes how much you eat. This change is usually aimed at achieving specific goals, such as improving health, losing weight, or managing a medical condition. A diet isn't just a temporary eating plan, it can also refer to your ongoing eating habits. So, starting a new diet can mean beginning a journey towards a healthier lifestyle. People decide to start new diets for various reasons. Some of the most common include weight loss, the most popular reason, where the goal is to consume fewer calories than you burn. Health improvements, such as lowering blood pressure, managing diabetes, or improving heart health. Ethical and environmental reasons, opting for plant-based diets to minimize animal suffering and environmental impact. Medical needs, specific diets to manage allergies, intolerances, or conditions like celiac disease. Understanding your motivation is key to selecting the right diet and sticking to it. Starting a new diet can be challenging, but here are some tips to make it easier. 1. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve. Is it weight loss, improved health, or something else? 2. Do your research. Not all diets are created equal. Find one that's sustainable for you and fits your lifestyle. 3. Plan your meals. Planning ahead can help you stick to your new diet and avoid temptations. 4. Start gradually. Drastic changes can be overwhelming. Start with small changes and gradually incorporate more. 5. Seek support. Whether it's from friends, family, or online communities, support can keep you motivated. Starting a new diet is a significant step towards a healthier lifestyle, but it's important to approach it with the right mindset and preparation. Remember, it's not about short-term changes but rather about building lasting habits that can positively impact your health and well-being. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you on your journey to starting a new diet. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.